Welcome to Billytics. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up and activate your account. Open your browser and go to Billytics.pro. On the homepage, click the button that says Try for Free. You will see the sign up form. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. Once all fields are filled in, click on Sign Up. After signing up, log in using the same email and password you just created. When you log in for the first time, Billytics will ask you to verify your account. Click on Send Email Verification link. An email with a verification link has been sent to the address you used during sign-up. If you don't see it in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email, click the verification link, and your account will be activated instantly. That's it. You can now access your Billytics dashboard and start managing your bills, receipts, and invoices with ease. Thank you for joining Billytics, your smarter way to organize and analyze your finances.